Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel No Logic. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos. Today, we're diving into the fascinating journey of how tea is made from leaves to cup. Tea starts its journey in the verdant hills and valleys where tea plants, scientifically known as Camellia sinensis, are cultivated. These regions, often in countries like China, India, Sri Lanka and Japan, provide the perfect climate for tea growth. The first step is plucking. Skilled workers, often called tea pluckers, carefully pick the tender top two leaves and the bud. This process is crucial as these parts contain the most flavor and aroma. Next is withering. The freshly plucked leaves are spread out to wilt and lose moisture. This step makes the leaves pliable and prepares them for the next stage. Withering can take from a few hours to a full day, depending on the climate and desired flavor. After withering, the leaves are rolled. This step twists and breaks the leaves, allowing the juices and essential oils to be released. Rolling helps to shape the leaves and is key to developing the tea's flavor profile. Oxidation, sometimes referred to as fermentation, is where the magic happens. The rolled leaves are left to oxidize, changing color and developing deeper flavors. For black tea, oxidation is full, resulting in a dark, robust tea. Green tea skips this step, retaining its green color and fresh taste. Once the desired oxidation is achieved, the leaves are dried or fired to stop the oxidation process and reduce moisture content. This step locks in the flavor and prepares the tea for storage and packaging. The dried leaves are then sorted and graded. This step ensures that only the best quality leaves make it to your cup. Leaves are graded by size, shape, and overall quality, with higher grades fetching higher prices. Finally, the tea is packaged. It can be in loose leaf form, tea bags, or compressed into shapes like bricks. Proper packaging is crucial to keep the tea fresh and preserve its flavors and aromas until it reaches you. And that's how tea is made. From the fields to your cup, it's a journey filled with tradition, skill, and a lot of passion. Next time you sip your tea, you'll know just how much effort went into creating that perfect brew.